Menteri Rangba kejelau Dr. Mukul Sama mentang kesengi ulat lek banyak kejat ya ke yodo. Kom Menteri Rangba hak kesian ke baningkong bat hak ni ke jinglek ulat terwa. Bon ke jingrap ki baka sarkar kalak ban lek ban penbha ya ke yodo. Bat benrap baka syong hak ke hima meliam ban ai ya ke jingi trelang. Haba a jingkren hak ke jingilang balingkon syua ban lek jingo ya ke yodo u Dr. Mukur. Uloong baka kam jang ke sarkar kalong ban pet ya ke jinge jong ki pet ba. Bat kumno ban yale ya kita ke jinge. Haba yade baka yodo nakaliang jong Menteri Rangba ulat terwa baka sarkar kalong kebalak kloy banyak trelang bat kahima, bat kasyong ha kahima, banyak syong perkhat bat sarkar kumno banle. Habai day bat kapisa na kabenta ka jingpen pha bat jingpen itanat ya ka yodo. Menteri Rangba oloong bat sarkar kan saya mirjingmut bat kahima kumno banle banwanra ya ka bha na ka sarkar basisian sisnam sa kahima mliam lingba ka office u deputy commissioner.
Ensure that our action plan is designed to live up to the expectations and aspirations of our beloved people. Our job is to ensure that all this whole action plan, so designed and conceptualized, ultimately pave the way for the prosperity of our people. I remember having stepped into this Bara Bazaar number of times, I don't remember how many times. When I was a student studying in St. Anthony's College, I didn't get a chance to have a hostel, so I stayed in MLA hostel. So I was very close to Bara Bazaar. So anybody who comes from Garo Hills, particularly our mothers, aunties, they'll always say, we have to go to Bara Bazaar. And Mukul used to be always available for them. So they will say, Mukul, please take us to Bara Bazaar. So I remember a number of shops where I have stepped in, including the shops where we used to get beautiful, locally made, handmade shoes. Today I want to see them again. And I remember some of my friends who came from outside, looking at my shoes, Travolta shoes, asked me, where did you get these shoes? Beautiful, wonderful. I told them I got it from Bara Bazaar. It's made by our people. Today's visit is more like an impromptu, with a whole intention of engaging ourselves with the authorities, in this case the Himamelim, so that we can together decide as to what is best that we can do to keep the pride of this Bara Bazaar, the pride and legacy of this wonderful market. Anybody who comes to Shillong must be tempted, must be attracted to come to Bara Bazaar. All the tourists. Anywhere when we travel across the globe, everybody wants to go to market. So market has to be one of the centers which attract people to come. Besides the people who come for ultimately selling their produce as per the demand of the day, but even as a center which attracts people who come from outside and make them spend more money here, so that we get more money from people. We will channelize our fund from the Clean and Green Meghalaya program. Certain amount of money will be routed through the Deputy Commissioner, dedicated annually to be provided to the Himamelim, exclusively to take care of the Himamelim. This Bara Bazaar you do. And as we move around and find out what more we can do, I think we are on the right track. Government has to always engage with the stakeholders, with all of you, and decide what is the best that we can do together. We are here only for that, and once again, let us resolve that we take care of our market. When we take care of our market, that means we are taking care of everything, including making the market very, very clean.
Dr. Mukul lapan paru bokwa banyo iya ka yodo kadai banlong ka yo ka bakhoj hak ba kibre ki bawan na sabar ken sautanat banle yu kejat hak ni ka yo namar detang ka ni ka yo ka barimtam bat ka balak penya da ka hima. Habai day baka jabaan ke bami nakani kayo. Menteri Rangba Oloong, Baulaya Kren do Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam, Banyatri lang na mentakani ke jabok ke bami na Meghalaya bad Assam. Onlom lang man penmi ya ke boarding elektrik kat kom ke jing start ke jog mentah. Kiwedi ke balak kren hakani singi kilong ke Kong Roshan Warjri Menteri ke Kuat Kakia, Uba Roni Willingdo Menteri ke Kampung Roiser, Panakaliang jok hima lak kren do Sim Bashipor, jok hima Muliam Upayem Ricky Nelson Sim. Hakani ke singi lai senralang ru yo Menteri Rangba leki hek sarkar Bakantup na do Additional Chief Secretary ba Peter W. Ingti, ka Principal Secretary ka Kong R.W. Sucheng, ki Head Officer na Katanan Agriculture, Horticulture, bat kiwe-kiwe.
Hey, what's your name?
Thank you. Tôi á. Đó, boleh. Boleh.
See, the best couple.
Best couple.
हाँ, इसको फोटो लेना पड़ेगा इससे.
हाँ.
Okay. Best couple. God bless you. Snow?
No.
No hair. No milk. Upper Shillong. How are you?
Fine.
This is your Hasidim Bam. Good, good.
They want you to buy this.
No. Somebody should buy. They want us to buy. Huh? You want to take photo? Okay. Next time, after making the market. We can plant.
Actually, a good is here before. But the shop owner died, so they should close this shop. This is the only shop.
Local. We'll go down there. No? Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello. See how they cut. Very expert. Shopping. Dress, they make their own. Wedding dresses. Oh, legacy. So that is something which we should look at as a proud legacy of Shillong City, which is linked with our way of life, our culture. You have seen as we walk through the market, you have seen mothers, elderly citizens, and engage in bringing in their juices, and so way of life. the way of life, which is again linked with our culture, agriculture, farming. So you are able to actually connect it with our rich cultural heritage and our way of life. And therefore, there is a lots of space for us to actually take advantage of this beautiful legacy and somehow make this particular market as one of the most talked about market, which is linked with culture and way of life. And therefore, there is a need for the right kind of engagement with the authorities who are running this market. Unlike in other parts of the country, you are aware that this market is being managed and governed and administered by Himamilim. So that itself is an exclusive product for creating a positive story. We always believe in creating positive story, something which is unique and exclusive. So Bara Bazaar and the way it is governed and managed itself is an exclusive story. And this exclusive story again revolves around our way of life. Therefore, what we can do together, that is what we are engaging with the local authority, with the Himamilim. And we will ensure that, okay, this market lives up to that whole legacy and create that kind of connect with our past, present, and also with our way of life. Create this market as a market which probably can be compared as one of the best markets. And that is the support which the government will look at in providing, in consultation with the Himamilim. There will be need for pulling in enough resources from all sides. Because this market is linked with the farmers, people who grow their vegetables, people who grow their fruits, people who are active in other farming activities, like you have seen the fish market where local fishes are brought. Fish from outside are still making their way because there is a huge gap between demand and supply. These are a few things which we come to know by visiting. We will be now sitting with Himamilim. I will sit again with my colleagues. Then we will design certain kind of investment which will ultimately enable us to achieve the shared objective of making this Yudu as one of the best markets. Because anywhere, whenever we travel, all the travelers, whether we travel for official purpose or whether we travel as a tourist, ultimate destination always, one of the destinations will always the market. So market has to be therefore taken advantage of for ultimate prosperity of the people. And that can happen when we further leverage upon the whole legacy of this Bara Bazaar, of this Yudu, and this Yudu then becomes, another product to make people spend some time, captivate the tourists who are visiting the city, make their stay longer, and link up with many other produce which probably can be picked up by visiting tourists and take them back as souvenir.
Hadian ke jingilang Dr. Mukul lalai benjengo ya ki katu kat ni ke benta jang ke Yudu wat banyak kendu bagi nong song yo. Ha ke jing kendu bagi nong song yo menteri rangba ulai ekren ni ke jing jengki baki lai kendu badu lakularu ban le ai limba ketenat berper. Halor kan ni ke jingle jengo jang menteri rangba ya ke Yudu. Nak kaliang chief executive member ke KHDC ba pensingan NCM ulai ke jing yero ya ke jing simkia jang ketenat ke kampan roiser ke sarkar jela ke belala ban pen ko ngo ya ke sarkar ban pen bha bat pen itenat ya ke Yudu. Hagpor UCM mula kenoru halo gejing pentip Dearpor jong UCM Shipor ke Himamilim ke balak pelong yu banom yalang ha ke gejing le jong menteri rangba.
Nakaleng jong aku mu chief executive member jong ke kasila Termbos District Council. Hadin banglayo i gejing wan jo nakaleng minister in charge jong ka Orvan tugas state ke jongi iba Doni Wilim do. Berkunjuru ngayo i ke kubor menegasi ba mentakasni ke Porsipo beji nagleu si minister baru minister Orban kilaiwan ban jungo obiang ya kanika yodo kapan diga yo tenrai ke jungi lamanong bat ngasum suru ba hak atarik gubernur si minister bat ka minister Orban kejidon nanti ban kuy juga yodo kita kali cuma aku siam apa ni pau ke jenis movement ba baru siapa gamduan ganu ka jing perkhat jongki ban penbaha ban penitilan ige udu nah gini kisni yo iya kan jing persyang jongki nga welcome iki bar nga iskamba daga jing tilang barka korban bar kunjuru bat ngiga district council baka hima nyina lai ka ban pen itnat ige udu ka badi ka yo tengrai jungi pasti tang masa kowe nga ngan saan nang ai susu ka jingero lada la ban ben urlong ya ka iga paki mut ban le maradu mentala se ka jingwan jungo jungki ka sulong tang ka jingwan jungo ha ka i bagile tingin sanang epe dengan sungai baga sorka kan le il baga urban department naglayang jungi ru isukhia mo kamadi ye tang naglayang ka urban development department nagaliang jungiru isu kia ngakan mau kelas 13 finance ngila put some scheme bar ngila implement ru haji de pakatuan ki footpath ki entrance bantung hayo umbada mangalan around 20 lakh dikina perkhat bah gini ki hakan ni scheme mentang ngin persang ban put some scheme tri habang yu ino ka jingwan jong chief minister bar minister juga urban development ngin saya ko ni baru sim ki egi ba we keren ngin saya peke peke la hoi kani ka nagle muslim i kana muslim la baklah dia haji sisa anything to be initiated especially with the state government and the urban development department la dei pendon ka coordination hapreng jongi bat jong usim tendai ngisio i ko bot but kila pentip sangau menen dari menen ngamla isu nomor ba kalalong kergi tan kan diga jipun baik ngamla bangaten dari gaji sisa nak lewat musim ada ban koordinat sobat ni suaban initiate kan diga isu lara kadai makana juga ka jingkerpat juga gomen di lade ban take off ngin kan nama giyo gi hapa ko purusan juga district council jadi pada usia mula baklan dia
Namarkan nilai jengok jong Dr. Mukul Samah layo jingtip banar liang kahima kelap persyang ban penkut jubor ya ke yodo. Bat kajing keli ke bami mentah kalong. Hatu kajing penkut ya ke yo. Kalong tang dawan ke hek serkar. Namar kajing jabok yang ke yodo haki weki por kalong ke ba assignment hadu kata-kata.